In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut not working. CapCut is a powerful and user-friendly video editing tool that many of us rely on for creating high-quality content. However, like any software, it's not immune to occasional glitches or performance hiccups. Whether you're dealing with the app freezing, crashing, or simply not loading, it can be frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through a step-by-step troubleshooting guide to get CapCut running smoothly again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to resolve the most common issues and get back to editing your projects without any headaches. If you're new to CapCut and don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is close CapCut completely. Make sure it's not running in the background, as sometimes programs linger in the system tray even after you've exited them. This simple action clears out any temporary glitches and refreshes the app's memory. Once that's done, the next step is to restart your computer. Let your system fully reboot before trying to open CapCut again. Restarting your computer can resolve a lot of temporary system issues that may be interfering with how the app functions. Now, let's make sure your CapCut software is up to date. Open the app and navigate to the Settings menu. From there, locate the version icon and click on Check for Updates. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Once the update is complete, restart CapCut to ensure all changes take effect. Updates are important because they often fix bugs and improve compatibility with your operating system and hardware. If updating the app doesn't solve the issue, our next step is to check if your computer meets CapCut's minimum system requirements. For instance, CapCut requires a 64-bit system and is designed to run on Windows 10 or later. If your computer doesn't meet these specifications, the app may freeze, crash, or not work at all. Additionally, it's a good idea to ensure that your operating system itself is updated to the latest version. Updated systems benefit from the newest features, enhanced security, and overall better compatibility with software like CapCut. Next up, let's adjust some performance settings within CapCut. Open the Settings menu again and find the section labeled Performance here. You'll see an option called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Uncheck this option. The reason for this is that hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with certain graphics cards, causing CapCut to malfunction. Once you've made that change, be sure to save your settings and restart the app. Restarting is key to making sure the new settings are applied properly. Now, let's talk about storage space, which is often an overlooked culprit when it comes to software not working. Check your computer to see how much available storage you have. If your system is running low, you'll want to free up at least 1 GB of space. Delete any unnecessary files, old video footage, or unused applications to create some breathing room. CapCut requires sufficient storage space and available RAM to operate efficiently, so clearing up space can make a big difference. If the problem persists, we'll move on to clearing the cache and data for CapCut. To do this, go to your system settings and navigate to the Apps section. Scroll through the list to find CapCut, then select it. From there, choose the option to clear cache and data. Don't worry, this process will not delete your projects. It simply removes temporary files that might be corrupted and causing the app to act up. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now have a fully functioning CapCut app, ready to help you create and edit your videos without any interruptions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.